Mr. Brian, can you open your present? Look what's on the front. What's in there?
What's in there?
This is very exciting. Mr. Brian was very nice to give you a present.
What could be?
What do you think it is?
Huh?
What do you think's inside?
Huh? Huh? What's in there?
Keep looking. Open up the paper.
Oh, look at that one. Huh?
In the bottom.
What's
Here,
this?
open up the bottom. Go look.
Frosty!
What do you think?
Oh,
What do you say?
thank you.
Do you like your frosty?
Yeah.
You gonna hang it on the tree?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, no. Sorry.
Want me to help you?
I Oh,
Oh wow, Frosty's gonna go right in the front so you can see him.